Hello, this video is another demonstration of the Hololens. This time something that is not so flashy. Well, I guess it could be. I mean, I do have a interesting application, I guess, for this. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to have the Hololens connect to a GPS receiver through Bluetooth such that it can receive location, latitude, longitude, a bunch of other information, and be able to utilize that in an application. Because the Hololens does not come with a GPS receiver inside, you'll see some videos or some solutions being that you would go to use a web services and proxy off another machine and stuff, and what I'm going to do is actually just not do that. I'm just going to say, this machine needs to be able to go anywhere and do everything. It needs to do everything on its own, without connecting to internet or whatever, or a phone or whatever. Well, I got as close as I could. So the first thing I tried to do was use Bluetooth. Use USB. So I purchased this $10 or $15 USB GPS receiver. It was really nice. It was perfect in my eye because you just take this off here and you would plug it in right here in the back, because this is USB, but it's a USB charger right now. It's only for charging. And there you go. So you could walk around, you have a GPS receiver. Well, that didn't work because this is locked down. So that was out. But then about 3, maybe 4 weeks ago, I'm not quite sure, Microsoft fixed, or I say unleashed the Bluetooth Kraken, so now you can connect other Bluetooth devices to it. That's great. So what I did was I purchased another GPS receiver, but this one's Bluetooth, and connected it, and it did connected pair, no problem. Great. I also connected a game controller and stuff like that. Great. Well, that's great and all, but you can't really do anything with it unless you manually write some program code to make it work right now. Same thing for game controllers. Pretty much any communication with that's outside the realm of what Microsoft's currently got integrated, which is the clicker and a keyboard, and I think even a mouse. Other than that, everything else is you have to do yourself. Well, that's what this video is about. This video is about getting the Hololens to work with a GPS receiver. So this GPS receiver I can put in my pocket, and I can drive around, walk around, whatever, with the Hololens, and it will keep receiving information and knows where locations are. Now, technically speaking, the Universal Windows application software development kit has a geolocation option. It's an API, but it does not work with these here because there are no sensor and location drivers for this device here. Well, of course, this is not going to work. For this device here, you have to put hardware drivers in here, and you can't do that. Again, this is pretty locked down. So that was out. And if you do use geolocation, the geolocation API, it will give you a result, but it's coming from the Wi-Fi, from the internet. So it's a very weak accuracy, whereas this one's very strong. Okay? Alright, that's enough talking about that. Let's go and demonstrate. Okay, so I'm here at Thomas Park, and I'm going to try the GPS now. The GPS light thing is on. Hey Cortana, Start Holo GPS app.
Opening Holo GPS.
Alright, just put that somewhere. Let's go a little closer here. There we go. There I am. Alright, now to the next destination. Okay, now I'm at a landmark here, a couple landmarks to make it a little bit easier and more, for you to see how the accuracy is. I'm also in a big parking lot, hoping that the spatial mapping can pick this up okay without freaking out. According to my phone, I am right here. Actually, it's like this. So just so you know, like this is the parking lot here. The Cajun field is right there, and then further down there's the Cajun Dome right there. Again, I have my Bluetooth turned on, so let's start the. Hey Cortana, start Holo GPS app.
Okay, starting Holo GPS.
Okay, I'm gonna try to let it float here so we can see it kind of pick it up. There we go. So you see that? It picked it up. Pretty much the same location that this is. Now I want to try my best to walk down here and hope that the map moves too. We shall see. How accurate this is. I don't want to place the app because if I do, then it'll be locked in wherever I put it. So I want to kind of keep it here with me. So while we're walking, I'll just say a couple of the issues here. The Bluetooth enumerator for this device here, the Hololens, is kind of crazy, or it's either that or the Bluetooth pairing, because I keep getting more and more of the same Bluetooth application in it. So I start off with one GPS receiver, and then I keep getting down two. Now I'm up to 5. So it's kind of interesting. Just keeps getting higher and higher. Okay. So I'm walking down, clicking on. I'm sorry, wait 1 second. Hololens is very popular. Just talked to a gentleman who also is interested in the latest and greatest technology. He was pretty impressed with what was going on here. So let me continue here. I'm going to try to go from. Let me go from here to my car and see if that'll work. Hey Cortana, start Holo GPS app.
Here's Holo GPS.
Alright, I'm going to turn around. My phone has me. I can't see. Yeah, okay. Alright, so hopefully we can see it move. I probably won't be able to see it because I'm in the daylight, but hopefully you'll be able to see it move. So as I was saying, the enumerator just keeps increasing the Bluetooth devices. I'm sure Microsoft is well aware of this and will be fixing that soon. But it's an easy way to go through that. Just see if it works. If it doesn't, try the next one. Continue. Oh, that is a common problem with the outdoors. Trying to find your surroundings. See that? So now we can't tell. Yeah, lose a little bit. Yeah, go ahead. Now we can't tell if it moved or not. Well, maybe we can. We'll find out. So I'm getting closer to my old car. Alright, come on, move with me, buddy. guess I should have put a point on. That would have helped. I'll tell you what, though. I know what I can do. Yep, let's see, it did move. That means it's working. So I'm gonna like move this way out here, and the GPS should pick up and try to bring it back. GPS will try to do that. Let's see. There we go. Moved back. Excellent. Alright, I think that's good enough footage to prove that it does work. Thank you for watching.